Daddy Fixed the Vacuum Cleaner by Robert Scotellaro, illustrated by John Jones. Daddy fixed the vacuum cleaner, and now it works just fine. It sucks up flowers from the yard and laundry from the line. Before, it hardly drew at all, but now it's got great reach. It picks up things from down the hall and fuzz right off a peach. The cat has joined the dusty bag, the small hands from our clocks. The baby's diaper flew in there, the stitching from our socks. An egg, a cabbage from the fridge, an apple pie quite big. It drew in Grandma's dentures and also Grandpa's wig. It sucked the pattern from our rugs, the newsprint from our news. It swallowed every light ball up, plus laces from our shoes. It made my sister's dolly bald, her teddy disappear, my auntie's false eyelashes fly, her rouge and lipstick smear. It drew out every penny saved inside my piggy bank and sucked the sand and pirate ship right from my fish's tank. It unmade all our bedding, took pillow, spread, and sheet. It even stole the feathers from our little parakeet. It pulled the flowers from Mom's dress while hardly even trying. It opened all our dresser drawers and sent our clothes a-flying. It yanked the pipes right through the walls, the dog next door flew in, and then the neighbor's hamsters and the neighbor's violin. Daddy fixed the vacuum cleaner. The thing would hardly suck. But maybe Dad should not have used the engine from his truck.